half, so we're at the end. So tell me about your welding experience. When you came into the program, you didn't know absolutely nothing. So how do you feel about welding now? Would you refer to someone, and do you think that this program was beneficial to you?
I mean, how I feel about welding, I feel like it's a good experience, you know, and it can take you a long way in life. And yes, I would refer everybody to do welding.
Would you tell everybody to do it?
Everybody to do welding, because at first it was kind of frustrating until you actually learn the skills.
Learn the skills. Once you get it, you're like, oh, then you start enjoying it. Like right now, I had to calm you down and say, hey man, it's time to go.
It's like when you get into it, shit, it ain't no longer work no more.
It's not work.
It's something that you don't love.
You enjoy it. You enjoy doing it. Okay.
Yeah, I refer all my big cousins, the female cousins.
Everybody. So what about those who are fresh out of high school? Maybe you know some people that's fresh out of high school. Can you someone like that? Do you think you can motivate somebody like that to coming fresh out of high school, that's dived into this, how it can change their life from 19, 18? Man, it can change you.
It can change you a lot. Like, it's beneficial. It's a skill you can pick up and have for the rest of your life. It's a skill that you can teach your little kids if you have kids.
Yeah, you can pass it down.
Pass it down. You know?
Pass it down.
And it's gonna come in handy in case you want to build your own warehouse.
You can do that. Anything. Exactly. So tell us about this too before we leave. So you end up getting a scholarship and getting your high school diploma out of the Excel Center, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once you did that, they rewarded you with a free scholarship of your choice or whatever you pick from over here at the Goodwill Academy, and you chose to pick welding.
Yes, sir.
So with that program, would you refer that? Because I was telling people, man, hey man, you get a free high school diploma, and then you can come over here and get a free trade. You live in it. You live it. So you got to tell the people about this, man.
Man, Goodwill is a good place to go to if you want your high school diploma, if you want a trade or a career. Goodwill on Sky Hamilton is the best place to be, man. They work with you in class. If you don't know something, they're gonna help you. He a good coach. He gonna help you.
I'm gonna help you win.
He gonna help you win. He gonna take his time with you. He understandable. If you missing, not a lot of people out here that's understandable. And a lot of people need understandable people around them.
Yeah, they do. It's kind of help guide them and help. So you feel like the staff and some of the people that's here also help you make your decision on, you know what, they kind of care about me. They really want to see me win, and it motivates you. So that's good.
They give you a little more thrive to keep thriving.
Yeah, so it is a family situation, and like I tell everybody, when you go anywhere, you're gonna have bad apples everywhere you go. Anywhere you go. But the majority of the time, if we say we got a fruit tree over here, you can walk outside and grab a fruit and keep it moving, eat something. And that's what it's all about.
But it's like they really take the fruit instead of getting the seeds.
What you said, and with that we gonna end it.